Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So here I am with another tutorial introducing the stationery that I'll be using. So it's a Dome's carbon pencil, super dark, Dome's eraser and a Posca pen for the outlining. And for the colors, again today I'll be using the Faber-Castell triangular color pencils. So the links for all the products is there in the description. You can just go there and check them out and do order. These products are very good to work with. These pencils are very smooth to work with. So today we are going to draw a nail cutter. So we'll start with the slanting line. First we'll draw the basic structure with the pencil. Another slanting line at the same angle, joining it upwards and downwards to make the front of the nail cutter. Making another slanting line and joining them together. Now from the first slanting line we drew, we have made another slanting line and then a longer line going upwards. From the bottom line we are going to make another slanting line. These lines are going to be in perspective. Now from the other point I am making another slanting line. The two upper lines are same at the same angle and the lower line is in perspective going towards the upper line. I am going to join the other two lines with the curve on the back side. Now making the top of the nail cutter, making two slanting lines, joining them again with another slanting line. Just look at the lines carefully. The angle of the line should be correct. Now this top part, this is going up as we are showing the nail cutter which is open. So for that we have drawn two slanting lines and joined it with the curve at the top. Here we are making an oval to show the screw of the nail cutter. Now we'll start with the sketch pen lines. Now the lines are going to be more clear to you. Just giving the details. We have drawn a small standing line at the edge of the screw to show the depth there. Now we'll be making two lines here to show the depth. Standing line smaller and again two lines. Just outlining on the slanting line that we have drawn with the pencil. One line is below it and the other one, and now again we'll be doubling this to show the depth. Outlining the base of the nail cutter, just outlining the lines, the basic lines that we have drawn before. Taking it downwards on the slanting line that we have drawn. Again doubling it to show the depth, to show the thickness of the nail cutter. It's always easier if we draw the basic structure with the pencil first, then it gets easier to make the final drawing. Now inside the nail cut, we are just extending this to show the inside part of the nail cutter. The screw just goes till the bottom, so little part of the screw is visible. Now making another slanting line inside to show the base of the nail cutter, and then just outlining the pencil lines that we have drawn before. Now again just doubling these lines to show the depth of the nail cutter and to show the width of the nail cutter. So I hope the drawing has become very easy for you with the step-by-step instructions. Now we are just erasing the pencil lines that we don't need, and after that we'll be starting with the coloring. Do let me know in the comments section about this video. Now we are just giving the silver color. We have two metallic shades also in these Faber-Castell pencil colors, silver and golden both. Just do the coloring in one direction and do not leave any white spaces to get the smoothness in your coloring. Once we are done with this, we'll be doing a green color in this group. You can select any other color of your choice. And then we are giving a purple shade in the top part of the nail cutter. Please like and subscribe to my channel for daily drawing tutorials, and also you can let me know in the comment section if you want me to draw anything specific so that I can provide you with the tutorial of the same. Now in the double lines we are just giving a little darker shade to show the shadow of it. And for the silver color we are giving the darker shade with the black color to show the depth of the nail cutter. I hope you're liking the video. For all the products, the links are given in the description. You can go and check there and order for yourself. Do like and subscribe to my channel. So we are almost done with the coloring part also. So here we are done with the drawing. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.